Hey everyone, and welcome to this crypto critique update. My name is Daniel, and I got the webcam back up and running, so that's good. Also, those production value upgrades that I was talking about, shave, haircut, that counts, right? No? Okay, whatever. Anyway, reason I'm doing this video is we are now at the start of the second phase of the current bull market. And the reason that I can say this is that, let me punch up the trading view here real quick, is that here, Bitcoin, previous all-time high was on the 13th of March at around $61,000. And on the 13th of April, we broke through the previous all-time high, right? So we're now going to figure out if this 61,000, if that's going to be the new support, right? But that's kind of what we're looking at right now. In any case, we broke through. That's good news. Let's look at some other coins here, Ethereum, right? Ethereum, same thing. Previous all-time high here at around 2,100, and on the 13th of April, we broke through that. So again, good news. Let's take a look at one last one, another high cap coin, Cardano. Previous all-time high, 16th of March, around $1.40. And we broke through that on the 13th of April, and we're now in sort of support discovery, price discovery mode, right? This is uncharted territory, so we're trying to figure out what's going to happen from here. So the reason that I'm doing this video is that the last couple of days I was sort of preparing for the second phase of this bull market. And I thought, why don't I share some resources to help you, make better informed decisions in the second phase of the bull market. Um, I feel that this is also the point in time where I need to tell you that anything in this content is not financial advice. It's purely for educational purposes, right? So these are just tools so you can make better decisions, more informed decisions, and stuff that will help you do your own research so you can navigate this second phase of the current bull market. So, um, the first thing I wanted to take a look at is Coinmarketcap. And the most basic thing that Coinmarketcap does is it ranks coins by their market cap. But there's also a wealth of other information that you can find here, right? So you have like the current price, you have a 24-hour price change over the last 7 days, market cap, volume, nice little graph, to show you what's happened over the last 7 days. So like all kinds of metrics basically that you can see just like on one page listed very clearly of, what's going on. That's really useful. But what I think is actually the most useful thing about CoinMarketCap is that if you click on, well, like Chainlink is doing really well right now, right? So let's click on Chainlink. Um, right? So it gives you information about like price change over the last 24 hours, like what the range is, historical price information, the exchanges that it trades on. But most importantly, it also lets you go to the Chainlink website, right? And that I think is one of the most important things you can do because you go to the website of a project and that really lets you evaluate whether or not this is any good, right? Like if we look at the Chainlink website, right, connect your smart contract to the outside world. Um, like page looks good. They have, a developer section. What solutions do they offer? Overview of the ecosystem, community, blogs, etc., etc. Right. So this looks like a good site. This looks like a reputable project. Um, and it's that kind of thing that will allow you to determine whether or not this is something that you feel comfortable investing in, right? So, so that is the kind of thing that CoinMarketCap gives you access to. Now, CoinMarketCap isn't the only one out there, right? You have, for example, CoinGecko or Live Coin Watch, right? They do pretty much the same thing, but with their own little specific tweaks, um, right? But basically, like if we click on, let's see, IOTA here, right? That's like one of my favorite projects. You click on IOTA, you get very similar information that we got on CoinMarketCap to Chainlink, right? Like price movements, historical price data, that kind of stuff. Really cool feature in CoinGecko. It lets you convert IOTA to US dollars, right? So you can have an idea of, if you're doing any trades, how much it's worth. And again, it lets you click on the iota.org thingy, and then you can go to the website and you can see if this looks like a good project to you. Like, have a read, see if this is something that you want to invest in. Right. So I think that's why things like CoinGecko, LiveCoin Watch, CoinMarketCap are such good resources, because they're basically like the Wikipedia for cryptocurrencies, right? You go to one place, you look for things, everything's nicely listed, and it just provides you with a lot of good, solid information that you can use in your investment strategy. So have a look around. Go to CoinMarketCap, go to CoinGecko, go to Live Coin Watch, see which interface you like best, see what speaks to you most, and then, crucially, once you've figured out what you like, make an account. Right, on CoinMarketCap, it would be here. CoinGecko, you can sign in, sign up. Same here, log in, register on CoinWatch. Because one of the extra pieces of functionality you get is you can make a watch list. And the good thing about a watch list is that it's basically like a sort of favorites page, right? Like, look here. I don't know if you can see it here, but on CoinMarketCap, there's over 9,000 cryptos out there, according to CoinMarketCap, trading over 360 exchanges. CoinGecko says there's like 6,450 exchanges, right? So there's some discrepancy there, obviously, but that's a lot of information, a lot of data to keep track of, right? So one of the things that watch lists allow you to do, they allow you to sort of go through this, and like everything here that is starred is on my watch list, right? So obviously, most of the things in the top 10 in coin market, in market cap, are on my watch list, because it's important to keep an eye on the top 10. But it allows you to sort information and to basically get rid of all the stuff that you're not interested in. So I would say, do your research, figure out what you like, get rid of the stuff that you don't like, and buckle up for the next part of the ride, because I think it's going to be a good one. If you're interested in some more advanced watch list techniques, I'm going to do a video either later today or tomorrow in TradingView on how to like drill down into information, condense information, separate things out, so you'll get an easier time of keeping an overview of what you might want to do with your investments, and like basically not having to deal with all of the other BS. Yeah, so you can look forward to that either, like I said, either later today or tomorrow. The video on the call options is coming. It's coming. I just thought that, right now this is a bit more important and, a bit more pressing information. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little bell, you get notified when the next video comes up. Tell your friends. And yeah, I I guess I'll see you later. All right.